Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on iPad Air 13 2024. To remove a widget, press and hold on it. Then tap on Remove Stack or Remove Widget. You can do the same with more widgets. And to add a widget, press and hold on your home screen, then click on a plus in top left corner. And then you can choose either a widget from suggestions or choose a widget from any of those available apps. For example, let's choose a widget from Apple Music, and here you can choose different widgets. I'm gonna choose this big one, and you can place it on your home screen, then tap on Done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.